Hello and welcome to Oswald Digestive Clinic. In this video, I want to share with you what to expect after you schedule your initial appointment with us. You can do this easily on our website. You can choose the clinician you prefer to work with and book your initial appointment. After this, you're going to receive an email confirmation of that appointment. It's going to be a video appointment, so just check your email for instructions on how to access that. You're also going to get an email with intake forms that we would like you to fill out 2 days prior to your appointment, because this is going to help you to make sure your clinician has enough time to review your medical history so that on that first appointment you can really hit the ground running. Now, at that very first video appointment, our clinic is all telemedicine, so it's a video appointment. Your clinician is going to likely have a few extra questions for you just to help clarify anything on your intake form, gather more information to help us best understand what plan is likely going to help you the most reach your goals. And at our clinic, usually a client's goals is to improve and eliminate their bothersome gut issues. Now, after that first appointment, your clinician is going to write up a summary of the plan that you discussed, and you're going to get this via email. You can use our secure private app to communicate with your clinician between appointments if little questions or concerns come up for you. And then at your follow-up appointment, your clinician's going to want to know how you're feeling, what's improved, what's maybe not improved, and then you're going to work together to adjust the plan accordingly. Your clinician is going to guide you, and then you're going to be the one, of course, implementing the plan, so it's really a team effort. Now, our clinic does take insurance, and many of our clients get full insurance coverage, so we have some information on our website about this, and after you book your appointment, you're going to get some information about this as well. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at Oswald Digestive Clinic. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.